How's it going, guys? Chris here. This is Vartour Pedals, yada, yada, yada. You know the deal. So today I took the last 2 hours and breadboarded out. Man, this is a spaghetti, but I breadboarded out a project idea. I've been getting into synthesizers and building synthesizers, and there's one thing that I've always really loved the sound of, and that is an instrument called the Dewanatron Swarmatron. I'm going to be making a larger video about this breadboarding process that should be on the channel sometime. Who knows if I ever get around to it. But I wanted to do this little short to show you what's going on. I wanted to replicate the Dewanatron Swarmatron. The schematics aren't available for the Swarmatron, so I'm going to do it myself in the way that I can do it. The Swarmatron has 8 oscillators, and it's all controlled by a ribbon potentiometer. As you slide, it changes notes and all of that, in much the same way if you turn a potentiometer. I'm going to be building one, or I'm going to attempt to, using 6 oscillators, using the CD40106 Hex Schmidt trigger and some op amps. So right now I have a TL072 right there. I got it all built out. I have the schematic for this. Is from the what's the name of the Holy Island Audio Cannibal Pride Drone Synth. But this is their schematic for that project using the 4106. So what I did, I just replicated this part of the schematic there. I built it all out in KiCad. So like I said, I replicated that. They use a TL072. I'm going to end up using a TL074 since I'm actually going to have 2 stages of it for a total of 6 oscillators. So going into TL074s and out, right? I'm probably going to do away with this timber here. But anyway, so I got this all built out and I wanted to show you what it did. So let me turn on my amp. Make sure that's warmed up. Here we go. So yeah, it works. I proved out the circuit. Then I can start messing around with it. So yeah, y'all have a good one. I'm happy about today. As always, love yourselves, respect yourselves, and hail yourself.